Investing is like planting seeds for your financial future. At Davies Wealth Management, we know that the world of finance can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Investing is about making your money work for you, and it's never too early to start. With the magic of compound interest, your savings can grow exponentially over time. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or ETFs, each investment vehicle offers unique opportunities and risks. Diversification is key. Spread your investments to reduce risk and increase potential returns. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Set clear financial goals, create a budget, and build an emergency fund to lay a strong foundation. Embrace low-cost index funds and dollar-cost averaging to navigate market volatility. Maximize your returns with tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Consistency and patience are your allies. As your wealth grows, seek professional guidance to tailor strategies to your unique needs. At Davies Wealth Management, we're here to help you confidently embark on your investment journey and secure your financial future.